Windows 11 is great, but let's be honest, nothing beats the legendary look of Windows XP. Today, I'm showing you the full process to transform your desktop. We're starting on GitHub with a tool called RetroBar. This handles the classic taskbar. Head to the Releases section on the right to grab the latest version. I'm downloading the portable 64-bit zip. Once that's in your downloads, we're going to extract it. Now, pay attention here. When you try to run RetroBar, you'll likely get this pop-up saying, "You need .NET." Don't panic, this is totally normal. Click Yes, and it will take you straight to the Microsoft site. We need the .NET 6.0 desktop runtime. I'm selecting the x64 installer. While this installs, remember these tools are open source and very lightweight. Just follow the prompts and let it do its thing. Now that .NET is installed, we can actually open RetroBar. Boom! Look at the taskbar change instantly. Next, go into your Windows personalization settings. We need to change the taskbar alignment from center to left so it matches the XP layout. Right-click the taskbar and go to Properties. Under Theme, I'm selecting Windows XP Blue. Now for the Start menu. Download Open-Shell from GitHub. Run through the setup. I'm just hitting Next on everything here. Once it's installed, open the settings and select the Windows XP skin. I'm adjusting the skin settings to get that perfect Luna look. Finally, the most important part, the wallpaper. I'm heading to Imgur to find a 4K version of Bliss. Save it, set it as your background, and there it is. A fully functional Windows XP look on Windows 11.